Non-cooperation movement. The non-cooperation movement is also known as Swaraj movement in India. The idea of non-cooperation first going on by Satguru Ram Singh in India. It is the starting and first phase independence movement to rescue independence of India. National hero Mahatma Gandhi lost his faith on British government after constitutionally cooperate and getting independence. After Rowlatt Act of 14th 1999 and Jallianwala Bagh massacre, people disbelieve British government. The British government violate the promise which he had given to Indian at the time World War I. The National Congress of India also disbelieve British government. Gandhi assured Indian to got independent Swaraj within a year if the movement totally quit and peacefully non-violent way last for long time. Mahatma Gandhi launched non-cooperation on March 1920 because Mahatma Gandhi did not like violent men. He traveled all over India and preached among the people about non-cooperation. The large number of people of India, Young National Congress of India and Muslim Leagues of India fully supported Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi started rally all over India against British government on 1st August 1920 with crowded people. Young leader Jawaharlal Nehru and Motilal Nehru arrested from a meeting held at a place. Then they were sent to the jail. In 5th 1992, in 5th February 1922, a violent breakout at a place called Chauri Chaura of Uttar Pradesh. A crowded of people attacked police stations, burnt police stations, and killed 22 policemen. Mahatma Gandhi recalled the movement and stopped and started fasting till violence stopped. Mahatma Gandhi was then arrested and sent to the jail for 6 years for violent and massacre done in Chauri Chaura. Important feature of non-cooperation movement. First, non-cooperation movement was movement of all Indian discriminating caste, creed, sex, religions against British government. Second, the Hindu and Muslims group of people both fully supported in that movement. The rally or movement was quiet and peacefully without arms in hand against British government. Recall of Gandhi in non-cooperation movement. Gandhi recalled people of India to give up first foreign goods and commodities, second resign foreign services and jobs such as from post of master, lawyer, doctor, etc. Third, withdraw their children from government sponsored and aided school and colleges. Fourth, give up government offices such as court, kachari, post office, police stations, military camp, etc. Fifth, sought to ban foreign liquor from India. Sixth, sought not to purchase foreign clothes, etc. What Gandhi said to do in non-cooperation movement. Gandhi said to do first, use Swadeshi product and commodities. Gandhi said to use Swadeshi product and commodities. Improve small cottage industry such as spinning and weaving, pottery, etc. Third, eradication of untouchability from India. Result of non-cooperation movement. The Muslim and Hindu for the first time Simultaneously, thousands of people gathered and rallied for India. Second, the people discriminating caste, creed, sex, peasant, service holder, lawyer joined in the movement. So the unity of Indian developed among the people of India. Thirdly, the popularity of National Congress developed in India. Fourth, Mahatma Gandhi became mass popular leaders of India. Fifth, the fear from British government vanished from Indian people. The people willingly wanted to go to jail. Sixth, the people of India first saw the dream of independence for the first time. However, some politicians criticize the non-cooperation movement of Mahatma Gandhi. Some important leaders of India like Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Bihari Pal, Lala Lajpat Rai, Subhash Chandra Bose did not like non-violence system of Mahatma Gandhi. So they believe on violent means. So they form another separate group to make India independent. So much today about Quit India. So much today about if you like my video, then you please subscribe it my channel. So much today.